Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial from the Be a Trick channel. In this tutorial we want to teach you how to change the notification bar of your phone to Apple. To do this, all you have to do is enter the settings and search for the phrase Control Center in the search field. Enter the Control Center option. Here, activate the Use New Control Center option. By activating this option, the notification mode of our phone will change from the previous status to the new status, which is quite similar to the notification status for Apple phones. If you swipe down from the top left of your phone screen, shows the notifications that came to you, and if you swipe down from the right side of the screen, it will show you the settings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are interested in training, please write to us in the comments section so that we can prepare the training for you. Goodbye.